In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar view in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to map your tasks to dates or date ranges. See them as clear calendar bars, color code them for quick scanning, make edits by dragging and dropping, and even sync your calendar with your favorite apps. First, make sure your sheet is ready. Open your sheet in the standard table view and confirm you will have at least one column set to the date type. If you're not sure, check the column header and update the column properties to date. This is important because the calendar view won't display anything unless Smartsheet knows which column contains dates. If you plan to show multi-day tasks, you'll want two date type columns like start date and end date. Next, switch to the calendar. In the toolbar, click the table view drop-down and choose calendar view. You'll land on a clean calendar layout that pulls information from your sheet. At the top, you'll be prompted to map your date fields. For single date tasks, map to one date column, such as due date. Each task will appear as a single day bar on the date you select. If your work spans multiple days, map both a start date and an end date to display those tasks as longer bars stretching across the calendar. What appears on each bar comes from your sheet's primary column, so make sure that primary column contains clear, descriptive task names. Short, action-oriented titles work best because they keep the calendar easy to scan. Quick note before we continue. If you need Smartsheet, there's a link at the top of the description where you can sign up or download the app. That'll help you follow along and put this into practice right away. To make your calendar easier to read at a glance, use conditional formatting in the main sheet. Set rules based on status, priority or task owner, and assign colors. Those colors carry into the calendar view automatically, giving you a visual cue for what's on track and what needs attention. Keep your color rules simple and consistent so things don't get noisy. Editing is fast in the calendar view. You can drag and drop a taskbar to a different date, and Smartsheet will update the corresponding date fields back in your grid. It's a great way to adjust timelines during a stand-up or quick planning session. Finally, if you want to share your schedule externally, use the Publish tool to sync your Smartsheet calendar with Google, Outlook, or Apple calendars. That way, stakeholders can view the schedule in the apps they already use. That's it. You've created a clear, flexible calendar view in Smartsheet. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.